In the previous video, we saw how we wrote a test and how we started to use test simple. Now that we are using actually the OK function from test simple, we can remove the parentheses around the parameters of the OK function because now we are already importing it before we actually using it. And we can run the test, and as you can see in the test run, the script will print out the two OKs and the not OK with some comment. So just in order to have a feeling, let's see what happens if we run the test and everything is okay. So we comment out the failed test, set the counter to 2, and we run the test again. And as you can see, everything seems to be fine and okay, no comment at the end. So I wonder, why do we really need that plan number? And think about a case when you commented out a test, but you didn't update the test number into 2. And this way, you can actually see that there's some issue with the test. So although everything seems okay, 2 OKs, but you can see actually that there was a problem with the test, unlike the case when you have the exact test number. But now what we can see is that we updated the test count to 1 just to see what happens when there are too few tests. And indeed, in that case, you had the issue as well. So as you can understand, it's quite important to have the test number displayed, planned upfront. That will protect us from a case when the user accidentally quits the test script. Now there is another feature of the OK function that we received from test simple, is that actually it can get 2 parameters. The first one is the truth that we have been passing so far, and the second one is some title or name or a description of the test. And that's what you can see. We are adding now this description, quite simple in this case because we don't have some clever way to explain what these tests are. And then once we have these descriptions, if we run the test now, you can see that it already prints out both the OK one, OK number, and the description. And then it's much easier to find out what the problem might be.